we are going to approach another traffic lights. Yeah.
Yes.
So at the lights turn right. You are
Turn
going to
right.
do everything.
Okay. Now I will do.
Okay. Do it.
I will give the signal.
Okay.
I'm coming. I'll check the mirror. Now it's red. I'll slow down. I'll wait.
That's good.
Yes.
Okay. It's only the things you check the mirrors before the signals.
Yes. Every
No,
time I'm doing,
because
I don't know.
you makes me confused as well, because you said that I'm checking the signal, I'm giving the signals, then I'm checking the mirrors. See, check the mirrors before signals, not
Okay.
after. Yeah. Okay.
Right. After that, when is this light green?
Yes.
I will wait until this yellow line. If it's oncoming the car.
Good.
If not come, I will finish the task.
Yeah. Finish the task. Make sure in these junctions, don't do oversteering. Late steering means because you are going to finish on the curve towards the curb side. Yeah.
Yes.
So if you did it oversteering, you will end up into the second lines.
Okay, second line.
So
Okay.
we are going to,
Now it's going.
Okay.
I'm continue.
yeah. So do not change the steerings.
Okay.
Start steering from here
Okay.
and look on the point where the curb is.
Yes.
So take it on the left side here.
Yes.
That's it. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. If you did it oversteerings, you will finish to the right side. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Another task I'm giving you: traffic lights turn right. Yeah.
Okay. Traffic lights turn
Right.
right. Okay. Now I'm giving. I check light. Okay. Okay. Slow down. Okay. I'll wait.
Very smooth, gently. Well
Yes.
done. Yeah. Good.
And also this light filter.
Yes, and this is filter.
Light.
But make sure your filter is on. Sometimes it's not on. If it's not on, what will you do?
Passed.
If it's not on,
Now
when
it's like
on?
this.
Okay, then what will you
I'm
do?
lucky.
Come. You like this one?
Yes.
It's easy, na? So in the roundabout, make a U-turn, please, for me.
Okay.
So give right signals here.
Right, give signals. Slow down.
And make a U-turn as you did before.
Okay.
You're not looking to you, you know?
No, not looking. I don't know.
Traffic light turn right, please.
Okay, this is T junction.
T junctions.
Yes.
You like the T junction turning
Yes.
right?
3 minutes ago we got.
It's very easy as well, na?
Yes.
No oncoming traffic.
No.
It's like a sweet.
Yeah.
Eating sweet. We wish everywhere is a T junctions.
Yeah. After that, passed it.
It's very easy to pass the test.
Yes. I'm green. Turn it.
Okay, we are going to approach another traffic lights. Yeah.
Okay.
So at the lights turn right. Your responsibility. You doing yourself.
Okay. I'll check mirror.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, slow down.
Filter arrow.
No. No filter error.
There was a filter arrow.
Really? Where is it?
I think you don't look into that, the filter arrow.
Really? I didn't see it.
Anyway, no worries, yeah. That's why you come out in it. That's the front traffic stopped in. You got filter arrow, and that lights was in our road. Okay, at the roundabout turn left here. So we are going to approach to the traffic light by the one-way traffic light, one-way street. Yeah. So what this blue sign means? One way.
One way, yes.
Okay, so turn right at the light. See.
Okay. I give the signal. I'll check this side again. I'll slow down. Slowly. Now it's green. Nobody.
Good. Okay. So this traffic lights continue straight ahead.
Yes, okay.
Look on the floor and find your straight arrow.
Yes, this side. Oh, what happened?
Okay.
Green.
Okay.
Okay.
Could you take the next road on the right, please?
Okay.
Mirrored signals.
Mirror. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You went past.
Oh.
Okay, carry on. At traffic lights, turn left, please.
Wow.
So traffic
Turn-
light, turn right, please.
Turn right. Okay.
Good mirror this time.
Yes.
So do not rush for the traffic light.
Yes.
Take more comfort, relax. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. You are first in the queue, and the color is red.
Red. Right now, red. And
Do you think we will get the filter arrow or not?
there are filter? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. So is it easy or hard?
Yes, very easy. Now
Very
it's
easy.
yes.
Okay.
I will slow. Okay. Okay.
Traffic light, turn right.
Traffic light,
Lights,
turn
turn
right.
right.
I gave to signal. Now it's green.
It's green.
But I come. But red no important because of I come to
Yeah.
box junction.
Take the next road left, please.
Next
So traffic lights, turn right for me, please.
traffic right.
Okay. Which
turn.
mirrors?
I check mirrors and I give to signal.
Yeah. I will keep reminding you about the mirrors
Okay.
because you're missing them.
Okay. Oh.
Quite different situation in it.
Yes, one is going, one is turning right, but someone is.
Yeah. So what's your plan now?
Now I will turn right. After firstly, I should check the green light.
Mm-hmm.
If it is green light, I will come the middle.
Yes.
If it is clean, I will turn. Otherwise, we should wait.
Okay. That's the thing. Good. Yeah.
Yes.
So,
Now it's come. Someone coming. Wait this line.
that's it.
After that, it is clear. No wait. Past
Good. Well
your
done, yeah.
line.
Good. You did it. This traffic light's going straight. Yeah.
Going straight. Okay.
We need more observations around here.
Yes.
Why? Because there is some kind of problem, so you make sure you're
Yes.
looking well. Yeah.
Now,
It could be pedestrian
now
crossing.
it's green.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Traffic light, turn right for me, please. Again.
Okay. I'll check mirror.
Good.
I'll give the signal.
Good.
I will be slow down.
Middle.
Middle. A little.
Yeah.
Now it's red. No problem. Okay.
Okay.
Turn.
Yeah. It's only the thing you did wrong. You're not moving into the middle, yeah? So turn
Yes.
right again.
We can do again.
Turn right. We'll do again. Yeah.
Okay.
So, what's the green light mean?
Past.
Go.
Go.
And where to go?
Right.
Middle.
Middle.
Or complete task.
Complete. Task.
Answer is we're going to the middle and completing task. Yeah.
Okay.
So carry on straight ahead this time.
Okay.
So what happens there? You in the green lights you're going to stop at the stop lines. No.
Yes.
Past the stop
I
lines.
did wrong. Yeah.
You know, yeah. Do you understand? That
Yeah. I
Right,
will
good,
show
yeah.
you right now.
Okay. So we'll go back and check it again.
Okay.
No worries. So traffic lights turning right. It's a one-way street.
Yes.
So when you see two-way sign, let me know.
Okay.
Do you see two-way sign?
Yes.
Where's two-way sign?
Sorry.
Where's the two-way sign? That's the two-way sign. Do you see two-way sign?
Oh no.
Okay. That sign. Can you see it here? Look.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it. So it's when one way finished here, come back to the normal driving lanes, left lanes. Yeah?
Okay.
So just remember one way, two way signs here.
Oh.
Whenever you see one way signs, make sure you look to the two way signs as because that's the end of the one way. Okay. So at the lights, turn right for me, please. Quite difficult these traffic lights here. It's
Yes.
difficult because it's a big junction. That's why it's difficult. So green.
Green.
Follow the marking on the
Follow
floor.
marking.
Follow the markings.
Okay.
Can you see the marking?
Yes, I saw
Very
this
good.
arrow.
Okay. Very good.
Continue.
So make end on the left side here.
Okay.
Very good. Yeah. That's so
Oh.
traffic light turn right again.
Traffic light. Okay.
Do it yourself. This one.
Okay.
If you did it 10 by 10, yeah, I'll give you 10.
Okay.
Good. Well done. It's very easy. Is it easy?
Yeah.
Why it's easy?
But we don't need practice.
Okay. So just follow the road left, please.
Okay.
Turn left here.
Turn left.
Okay.
We come again
Yeah.
box junction.
Turn left. Turn right, please, for me.
Turn right.
Yeah, same box junctions. But
Okay.
it's from the other end here. Same
Yes.
box junction from the other end.
Yes.
No, he's not coming towards you.
Okay.
Can you look on the floor?
Yes.
Okay, he was not coming towards you.
No,
Make sure you look on the floor. There's clear markings that he's on the right, different line, not straight arrow. Turning left on this ones. Okay, once again, turn right from here.
Turn right.
Yeah, we're going back to the same junction where you did the mistake.
Yes, I
Because
did.
that cars, you're not analyzing yourself. He's not coming towards you.
I didn't understand which side the other
Which side
car
is going,
will
because-
turn or
Yeah,
not.
he's not giving any signals.
Yes, I
So-
confused it. I wait.
Yeah, I'll show you something there.
Oh, thank you.
So that's a different situation. Isn't it?
Yes,
So
every
equal
time
person.
different.
Every time is different situations. We learn from the situations, would we?
Yes. Ready.
So could you take the next road right? It's a very small box here. Give immediate signals right.
Right, okay.
Okay. So go close to the white lines. Stay close to the white lines.
Okay.
More close. Ease off the gas. Ease off the gas. Brake to slow. Slow.
Okay,
More slow.
slow.
Here.
More, yeah.
Nobody coming.
Nobody coming.
Okay. Then go.
Wow.
So look in the zebra crossing. Anybody around the zebra crossing?
Yes, I should wait. If someone
Yeah.
coming.
So be ready. Yeah.
Yes.
So this traffic light turn right. Which mirror? Turn right.
Right. I'll check mirror. After that I give mirror.
Just slow down.
Slow
Ease off the
down.
gas. Yeah.
Okay.
So look, one car is giving the right signals.
Yes.
Yeah. So
The other side, did we come on?
yeah, they are coming straight. Either they're going the place where you
Now I should wait inside box or line box.
what's go green means
Yes, after green means.
where to go.
I should inside the box or I should wait.
Complete task. Yeah.
Yes.
So look on the floors
Yes.
and look on the markings as well.
Now it's green.
Yeah.
I'll continue.
Yeah. So nobody on coming.
Nobody
so
coming.
you complete task. Yeah.
Complete task. If it's come
Okay. If it comes, we will wait in the box
inside or
inside.
inside.
So this traffic light turn right.
Turn right. Okay.
Right.
Right.
We're doing one more times.
Okay.
You still looks confused.
Yes, I confused.
Green means what? Green means go.
Go
Where to go?
right side.
Middle or complete task.
Yes.
Okay. So
Now
green
it's-
means nobody
yes.
in front.
Nobody.
Complete task.
Complete task.
So take the next road right.
Okay. Yeah, very very slow.
Yeah, you need to be slow down.
Yes.
Nobody
Nobody.
and nobody on the zebra crossing.
Okay. Zebra.
Okay.
Okay. No come.
Okay. So traffic light turn right. Tell me what makes you confused.
I'll tell you right now.
Okay, tell
I
me.
give signal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now I will wait here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now it's green.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody.
Mm-hmm.
This station is okay, but if it comes someone,
Mm-hmm.
I'm confusing.
You're supposed to go into the yellow box, isn't it? Wait
Yes.
in the yellow box.
Inside, I should wait
In-
middle
inside,
yellow
yeah.
box.
Yes.
Okay.
Turn right again. Do you understand now? Are you still confused?
Yes. Now I'll show you.
Okay.
But if you tell me which mistake I did,
We're going back again.
yes.
I think you are confused. Should I go into the yellow box or not if there is oncoming traffic?
Yes.
Are you confused in that point?
Yes. This point is nobody coming,
Mm-hmm.
no cars. I'm continue. Okay.
Turn right again.
I'll check mirror. After that, I give the signal.
Yeah.
I slow down.
Mm-hmm.
Some car coming. It's clear. After that zebra, it's clear. I'm continue. It's correct.
Okay.
Okay. It is green.
Mm-hmm.
Go. It means.
Signals.
After that, I'll give a signal. Yeah. Now, someone coming. I should wait here.
Yes. But he's
Okay.
not coming towards you.
Someone
He-
come.
Go. It's red. When the lights change to the red. Okay.
Red to me or other person?
We'll discuss this once. Turn right now.
Again.
That's the sequence of lights I explain you.
Okay.
Whenever is green, there is green.
Okay.
Whenever is red, there is red.
If I failed here, I
No.
will be disappointed.
Learn the things.
Okay.
What's happening.
Okay.
If
How
a-
many times we did right now? More than four, five.
Turn right, yeah.
Okay.
When you are in the yellow box, light doesn't matter for you. Turn right.
Okay. Now we
Green
are-
light doesn't matter for you when you are in the yellow box. Okay? You need to complete the task.
Okay.
Think how, because when you are in the yellow box, lights red. So before right and left traffic start moving, you should complete here. Just slow down here.
Slow down.
Okay, let's go now. So if the lights change here, doesn't matter. You need to complete.
Doesn't
the road.
matter. Finish it. Task.
Finish the task.
Okay.
Because that comes into the sequence of lights here. So at this traffic light on left.
Okay.
So when our red, what color will be the oncoming traffic? What color will be there? If you got red, what color will be the opposite traffic?
To me or
No, for them, oncoming traffic.
green?
When you have the red, what color will be the front ones?
Green.
No, same color.
Same color.
Red, green.
You mentioned that. Yes.
You remember?
Yes.
That
yes.
was the issue anyway. Go on more. Yeah, I want to make it more interesting. So traffic light turn right, please.
Okay.
Red stop lines. Not going at the stop lines.
Okay. I was thinking I should wait the middle.
Why? That we should wait in the green.
Okay. Now it's
That's
green.
the green. In the green we should wait.
Okay. I wait here, middle area.
Then,
Nobody coming.
then you
Turn.
Yeah. Red.
Okay.
If you are behind the stop line, you must stop.